Now we will see the experiment related to digital link on fiber optic trainer. For that, make sure that SW3 switch is in pressed condition, that is in digital link. The experiment is setting up fiber optic in digital link condition. Make the connection as given in the manual. Connect square wave input to input of FO transmitter. Fiber optic cable between FO transmitter and receiver. Output of FO receiver to input of comparator. Connect first channel of CRO to square wave and second channel of the CRO at the output of comparator. Now see the output on CRO. If you don't get the output at the output of comparator, then adjust that comparator port given at the comparator to get the output. As we change the frequency of the input waveform, the output waveform frequency also changes. The amplitude is fixed. This way the first experiment is completed. Now we will see the second experiment, PWM PPM modulation and demodulation through fiber optic cable. Connect sine output at the input of PWM and PPM in. Connect first channel of the CRO at PWM output and second channel of the CRO at PPM output. This is the output. First channel is PWM output and second channel is PPM output. Now as we change the sampling frequency, the output will also change. As we vary the amplitude, the corresponding changes will be there in the output. Now connect PWM output to input of FO transmitter and output of FO receiver to input of PWM PPM demodulator. Connect FO receiver output to input of comparator instead of connecting it to PWM demod input. Now connect output of comparator to PWM input and keep this switch PPM and PWM switch towards PWM side. Now connect demod output to input of AC amplifier. Output of AC amplifier to input of low pass filter. Now connect the second channel of the CRO to output of low pass filter and first channel of the CRO at sine wave input. Now we will see the demodulated output. The first channel is input and the second channel is the demodulated PWM output. If you don't get the output at output of low pass filter, then adjust the comparator potentiometer and for amplification adjust the AC amplifier potentiometer. Now for PPM, remove the connection from PWM out and connect it to PPM out, and in demodulation section connect the output of comparator to the input of PPM demod in and that switch should be on ppm side. On the CRO, the first channel is the input signal and the second channel is the demod of ppm. If you don't get the output, then adjust this comparator potentiometer, and for amplification adjust AC amplifier potentiometer. If you keep the switch in PWM position, then there will be no ppm output. For ppm output demodulated, you have to keep this PWM and ppm switch towards ppm. Thus we have completed PWM and ppm modulation and demodulation experiment through fiber optic. Now for PC to PC communication in fiber optic trainer FOCT-02, we need two separate PCs with hyperterminal installed in that, and you can perform the experiment as given in the manual with the help of these two RS-232 trans receiver. In the same manner, we can perform other experiments given in the manual. We can also use 850/950 nanometer FO transmitter and receiver in place of 660 transmitter and receiver for performing the experiments given in the manual. This way we have completed the demonstration of fiber optic trainer FOCT-01. Thank you.